Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome in. I am your sweet, lovable, cuddly host, Dr. Bobby Gaines. The doctor is in, baby. And it is a Friday, and the markets are just a little bit, just a little bit. And EBITDA's down 8 points, 36 points down on the NASDAQ, and everybody is on vacation or they're already at the Hamptons, or if you live around me, you're at Lake Wedowee, baby, sitting on the sidelines trying to catch a crappie, or as some sophisticated folks say, crappie, or as I say, catfish, baby. Catfish is so good, y'all. If you ever get a chance, I want you to go to Anniston, Alabama, and go to a little place called Top of the River. Now, it ain't even on the river. It's on a four-way highway, but let me tell you something. You get you the riverboat special, which is fried catfish with some French fries and some hush puppies and some coleslaw, and then order their mustard greens with the Mexican cornbread, friend. You have got you a meal. VIX down into the 16 handle, AD negative 31. Say it ain't negative. AD high was 259 and the AD low was negative 99. What is going on? Well, let's look at the volume profile. The big green monster. Big green monster doing what it does, telling us the support levels and the resistance levels. And right now we have a little bit of support at the 63.20, 63.21, and we're bouncing off there and we are going up. That reminds me, if I'm probably going to scalp for the rest of the day, then I probably need to go up as well. Bobby, be bullish, baby. Be bullish, be bullish, be bullish. And I'll show you what I've been using with my scalping. I like this a lot. And y'all seen me share this before, those of you that's been with me a long time. Following the ticks, and this turns blue if the market's going up, and it turns yellow if the market's going down. And it just follows the ticks, and then I have the AD over here. So I've been keeping that really, really, really close to home. Oh, excuse me, I just woke up from a nap. I have scalped today, and we got to do something with our hems today. So in our scalping, let's say our scalping's doing today. Our scalping, we are up, ladies and gentlemen. I'm talking about big money today. Look at this. We are up $39.50. 77% of my trades were profitable. I am up $39.50. How does Daddy do it on a continual basis? And this $15,000 account that we started is now at $15,350.20. Are you kidding me? Yes, hallelujah. Except for the horrible HEMS trade that I did. But I am a HEMS stockholder now, ladies and gentlemen. I own me $300 of HEMS and HERS Health Incorporated Ordinary Shares Class A. And I have, let's see, I bought at 20, my basis is 50, what is I bought it at? 51.79, I think, 51.79, and it's at 50.48. So I sold calls against those, right? And I've got 95%. And I don't think that these calls are going to get me called away today. Let's see how much buying power. I'd like to just let these expire. I don't know. I guess I could roll them. What would y'all do? Would you roll them or would you close them? You mean 300 shares, not $300. Yes, I have 300 shares. Sorry, Matt, of HEMS, not $300 worth of HEMS. I got 300 shares of the stuff. And what could I do with it? I guess I could sell calls, or would you just roll these? What do y'all think? Wayne, what do you think? Should I roll them or should I sell new calls? I probably just better to roll them. So let's do here. Let's go right click. And I think I'm going to roll to the 53. I've already looked at this today. So I'm going to roll expirations. Let's see. So go out 7 days. So this would be buying back the 52s and selling. I think I'm going to sell I don't know if I want the 52s or the 53s. I like that good premium there. Look at there, $1.28, $1.27. around that mid price. That would bring in me $333 since I am a shareholder now, baby. I get to vote on the board of directors and all kinds of interesting crap being a stockholder. I'm not used to owning stock. So, Matt, we should have done this back when we was DraftKings. We should have actually owned stock. It would have been really cool. So I think I will do, let's see, what should we do here? I think we'll roll this and see if we can get $1.28 and roll that out for 7 days. Let's see here. Let's go. Go, baby. It's going to increase my buying power by $380. Filled, darling. Filled. And we're up $239 a day. I wonder why this is down today. Oh, TQQQ is down a little bit today. Remember, some of y'all said, hey, Bob, are you still doing TQQQ? Yes, I am, in a very small account. This one's up $537 on the year. We've got some, let's see what's in this account. We've got some Bill and we got some TQQQ. So those are doing really, really well. Let's look at our linear regression for the day. And then I'll tell you what, if y'all want to, we'll scalp the rest of the day if y'all want to hang with me. So let's see. Let's go here and look at our linear regression. It's really hadn't told us very much. It just shows us that, hey, the overall trend we can see from the slope is up. We've got a line here of demarcation. Is that the word? And it was support. Now it is resistance, but the market continues to go up. And why should it not? I mean, let's just think for a little bit. Have y'all heard all of the investments that companies are making in the United States of America? I just heard Maria Bartiromo talking about the president was in Pittsburgh and announcing all these billions of dollars that these companies are doing in America. I think the American economy is really, really, really good right now. And that's why I've got that TQQQ program going on. That's why I think if I'm going to scalp for the rest of the day, I probably need to be looking at loans. And I think I'm really, really satisfied with what I'm doing. So I think we've got a good little plan. What's the difference, really? What's the difference? So anyway, that will do it for today. I think we've got everything we've done. We've rolled our hymns. We have scalped $39. Let's see if we can't get up to 100 because I'm getting pretty consistent now. I'm getting to where I'm doing about $100 a day, but my goal is $60 a day. Now I hear people say all the time, Bobby, you shouldn't sell a gold. Well, whatever, Jack. I want to do $60 a day so that I can double my account in a year. That's what I'm trying to do. So we will scalp for the rest of the day. Y'all have a good day, and I will see y'all Monday.